know there's a pink full moon this week? Yes, there is. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manifest using the pink full moon. Here are my 3 reasons why this is the perfect time for you to manifest using the pink full moon. Reason number 1 is it's a rebirth. You're going to let go of the old patterns and the old beliefs to allow the new stuff to come into your life. It's setting the intentions during this pink full moon. It's like planting the seeds of your own metamorphosis. Just like a butterfly changes from a caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly, that's what will happen for you during this pink full moon. So reason number 2 is growth. You're going to refer to the energy of the pink full moon, which is going to help you manifest the new opportunities and bring about positive changes in your life. Not only that, but it can be especially beneficial if you want to make a significant change or start something new. That's why it's a growth for you during this pink full moon. And reason number 3 is it's going to bring about renewal and clarity. The pink full moon is going to bring clarity into your life. It's going to provide a refreshing perspective to you. It's going to illuminate your path to gaining insights to yourself. It's going to allow you to see things that you haven't been able to see. During this event, it can help you also restore and renew your energy. Remember, you're going to try to connect to that energy of the pink full moon. I want you to remember that before you manifest, try to meditate and ground yourself before you do that, because you need to raise your vibrations high enough to connect. When you don't take the moment to do that, your mind is not calm, your mind is not serene, and you're not going to be able to do so. I'm always repeating myself saying to raise your vibration so you can connect with that energy, with that power. If you don't know how to and you want to learn, you can grab my book, Gratitude with Grace, Finding Happiness, which has a chapter on meditation, as well as my book, The Cleansing Rituals, where you will have sage and selenite crystals that you can use in order to cleanse yourself. Now, all of these products can be purchased through my Amazon storefront, Anita Inspires, under the Cleansing Rituals, as well as my books. I will leave the link in the description. Taking the time to center yourself, you're going to easily be able to connect and set your intentions for your manifestations to come true. To manifest using the pink full moon, well, you're going to stand within the view of the moon and you're going to set your intentions. You're going to say whatever it is that you want to call to yourself out loud. For example, my life will change. Good luck will follow me from this day forward, and so on. When you finish manifesting, don't forget to say thank you. The upcoming pink full moon is going to occur between April 23 and 24, depending upon where you live. Mark those calendars. Remember, manifest your dreams by focusing your energy and trusting the universe to bring it to you.